Work from home is pretty normal in city life, but what most of us do is use our couches or our beds as work desks, which makes us feel sleepy or less productive eventually. So here's a way to change all that and have a dedicated workspace at your home. Convertible into a sitting or standing desk, this unit can accommodate any work setup and position with ease. Whether you prefer sitting down for focused tasks or standing up to stretch and stay active, this desk adapts to your needs, making it a perfect addition to your home office.